Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to update ComfyUI to the latest version with and without the use of the manager. So let's get started. So first thing, just run ComfyUI and you'll be getting the interface like this. To the top, if you have installed ComfyUI manager, you'll be having this option. Click here, and as you can see, we are having the option to update ComfyUI and update all. Just select both of these, and once all the necessary updation has been done, make sure that you are restarting your ComfyUI. And this is the first step. And in case if you don't have ComfyUI manager, just go to the location where you have ComfyUI. Here you will be having the update folder right inside ComfyUI Windows Portable. Just open it, and here we will be having three files, namely update ComfyUI and Python dependencies, update ComfyUI stable. So you can just click on this, and this will also basically pull the latest changes. So similar to this also, and as you can see, it just gets the latest changes and also installs the necessary Python libraries. So once everything has been done, just stop the ComfyUI and rerun it again. So these are the steps, guys. I hope you have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.